am going to school. I am going to school. I am entering the classroom. I am entering the classroom. I am sitting in my seat. I am sitting in my seat. I am opening my bag. I am opening my bag. I am taking out my books. I am taking out my books. I am listening to my teacher. I am listening to my teacher. I am looking at the board. I am looking at the board. I am writing in my notebook. I am writing in my notebook. I am understanding the topic. I am understanding the topic. I am answering the question. I am answering the question. I am solving a problem. I am solving a problem. I am checking my answers. I am checking my answers. I am learning new words. I am learning new words. I am speaking in English. I am speaking in English. I am practicing daily. I am practicing daily. I am improving my skills. I am improving my skills. I am helping my friend. I am helping my friend. I am sharing my ideas. I am sharing my ideas. I am listening carefully. I am listening carefully. I am staying quiet in class. I am staying quiet in class. I am following the rules. I am following the rules. I am respecting my teacher. I am respecting my teacher. I am finishing my work. I am finishing my work. I am closing my notebook. I am closing my notebook. I am packing my bag. I am packing my bag. I am getting ready to leave. I am getting ready to leave. I am leaving the classroom. I am leaving the classroom. I am walking out of school. I am walking out of school. I am meeting my friends. I am meeting my friends. I am talking with them. I am talking with them. I am going back home. I am going back home.
I am reaching home safely. I am reaching home safely.
I am opening my books again. I am opening my books again. I am revising my lessons. I am revising my lessons. I am completing my homework. I am completing my homework. I am preparing for tomorrow. I am preparing for tomorrow.
I am improving every day. I am improving every day.